Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to use Printify and how to connect it with your Etsy store and start selling your own custom products without worrying about inventory, printing, or shipping. Whether you're a beginner just exploring Etsy or you've been thinking about passive income ideas, this step-by-step Printify tutorial will help you get started right away. Alright, before we proceed, let's take a quick look at the pricing. Let's see the plans available. Alright, so first we've got the free plan, which is what we'll be using for this tutorial. This is for merchants starting a business. And then you've got the premium plan, which is the most popular. It's $29 per month for merchants with growing sales. And then you've got the enterprise plan, which has custom pricing for merchants with significant daily sales. And so you can go down here and look at the features. For the free plan, you get 5 stores per account and unlimited product designs, which is actually really nice for a free plan. Then you've got the rest, so you can just look at the features and select the one that suits your business. Alright, to begin, you're going to have to click on Get Started for free. You could choose to continue with Google or just type in your preferred email address and your password. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue with Google. Alright, now Printify wants to know what brings you here. So you can either say that you're new to selling online and want to start, or you're already selling online and want to add Printify, or you're ordering products for yourself. Next question is, where are you currently selling your products? So we're going to go ahead and click on Etsy since that's the focus of this tutorial. So let's click on Etsy. Printify wants to know what best describes you. So are you an artist or designer? Are you a content creator? Are you a company or a business, an individual, an agency, NGO? So just choose the one that best suits your services. Alright, so I'm going to select individual. Now it's asking, do you have experience selling print-on-demand products? I'm going to select no for this. Now Printify is asking what kind of experience you already have. So let's just go with designing products and social media marketing and advertising. Let's go with those. Now Printify wants to know where you would like to sell. So it's asking for the main country of your target market. So you can just select the country you're targeting, and then you can also select the option to sell globally. Alright, so you can check this box and then click on next. Alright, welcome to the Printify dashboard. So now you can see a few steps you need to follow to set up your new store. So first you're going to need to create your first product, pick a product, add your design, and see how easy it is to create and publish with Printify. Then you'll need to connect your Etsy store, which is of course the main focus of our tutorial. Then just on the left side of your dashboard, you see a menu with lots of options. So you've got my new store, and if you click on my new store, you see manage my stores, add a new store, then there's catalog, is my product, orders, and the rest of them. So the first thing we're going to do is connect our Etsy store. So you're just going to come here and click on connect my store. Alright, so we're going to follow the steps here. So the first step is to create a product. So let's try creating a product now. Let's go with clothing and apparel. So you can keep scrolling to see more products. Let's go with this product here. Just click on it. Now we're inside the design space, and this is where the fun begins. At the top here, you see that Printify gives you helpful information about the product you're designing. You can see the production cost, print area size, and you can even download the design template right here. And then you can also see some helpful tips down here. Then over on the left, you've got your design tools. You can upload your designs. You can also use AI to generate art. You can add text or even browse graphics and templates. And Printify also integrates with Shutterstock and Fiverr in case you need professional help or premium images. So right in the center, you can see the product you're designing. You can work on different parts. There's the front side, back side, sleeve left, sleeve right, neck label inner. Then once you're almost done, there's also a preview button just to see how it looks before you finally publish it. Let's try adding a design here. So you can just come to graphics. Then you see a couple of options. You can see some shapes or some text. As you can see, the graphics are even categorized. So you've got eco-friendly and the rest, so it all depends on what you want. So let's go with something here. It's a new day, rise and shine. If you'd like some variants, you can just click on select variants, and it just shows you ash, spot gray, so we can select more. And then there's also this. So it all depends on what you want. So you can see different variations here. Oh no, let's go with this. If you've already uploaded an image, you can just come to your library. It's going to show you all the things you've uploaded. Then if you've got a template, it's going to appear here. Alright, so let's save our product. So now Printify is already taking us to the next step. Now it's time to connect your store. So we can either go back to editing the design, or we could just connect our store and publish. And that's exactly what we want to do. One of the best things about using Printify is how easily it connects to Etsy, one of the biggest online marketplaces with over 95 million shoppers. That means your products get instant access to a huge audience without the usual risks or monthly fees. It's perfect if you're just starting out or want to grow your business with minimal hassle. So Printify makes it super beginner friendly with no monthly fees, so you can only pay when you sell something. That's a big plus for staying low risk. So to get started, just click on connect to Etsy and follow the simple prompts to link your Etsy store. And if you want, you can connect to other sales channels later, but let's focus on connecting to Etsy. Alright, so before you connect your Etsy account, just ensure that you're already signed in. If you don't already have an account, just sign in with your email. Come here and then click on Sell on Etsy to create your Etsy store. And then it's just going to walk you through it. So you're going to click on Get Started. Alright, so Etsy's going to ask you a couple of questions while you're setting it up. So you could choose to skip the question or just keep answering. They're also going to ask you if you'd like help with anything. So if you do need help, you can select the options here. As you can see, you can select more than one topic. Or if you don't need help, you can just come down here and click on Skip this question. Then you're going to have to select Start Your Shop to start creating your shop and filling it with items. Yeah, so here are a couple of steps to finish up with your store. You've got shop preferences, name your shop, stock your shop, how you get paid, share your billing info, and your shop security. Yeah, of course, all of this is selected already, so let's carry on. And then you're going to need to name your shop. Alright, so you'll be required to add a production partner, and I've already added. So you're just going to add a few other details, answer a few questions here, and then once you're done, you just click on Save. And you can even add another production partner. So I'm just going to click on Done so we can move on to the next stage. Next, you're going to be asked to upload some photos, so you can just do that. Alright, so you're going to have to show your billing info and then complete the very last step to open your store. So let's go back to Printify now. Alright, so we're just going to click on Connect to Etsy. Printify needs access to your Etsy account to do things like connecting to your account, reading your user profile, create and edit listings, delete listings, your listings, and all of that. So all of this is needed so your print-on-demand business runs smoothly without you having to do everything manually. So just review the permissions and click Allow to continue. This way, Printify and Etsy can work together seamlessly to help you sell your designs without the extra hassle. Yeah, so you can go ahead and grant access. Alright, so we've successfully linked our Printify account to our Etsy account. Alright, so here's your product, but if you'd like to publish it, you can just click here to publish it. So just before you publish, you can scroll down here and find more details about your product. If you're not ready to publish it, you can just click on Save as Draft, but if you are, you can click on Publish. Alright, so our product is getting published now. Alright, so right after you publish your product, Printify will automatically send the listing over to your Etsy store. You'll want to head over to your Etsy dashboard to double check that everything looks good, like the product title, description, price, and images. Sometimes you might want to tweak the listing a bit on Etsy to add extra details or customize it more for your audience. Once it's live on Etsy, customers can start finding and buying your products, and Printify will handle printing and shipping the orders for you. It's pretty cool because you don't have to keep any inventory or ship anything yourself. Printify takes care of all of that behind the scenes. Alright then, so that's it for this Printify tutorial. I hope you found this useful.